Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So as you know, I bring one new question every day from maths competitive exams. So today we are here with this question that says that 13 raised to power x minus 11 raised to power x is equal to 48, and we need to solve it for x. We need to find out the value of x, right? So whenever we see this type of question that we have 13 raised to power x and minus 11 raised to power x, and especially when you have these types of questions in competitive exams, then you need to come up to a solution like as fast as you can, right? You do not have time to take log when you have power x and all that, right? So in these cases, always try to observe the pattern or try to observe the question that why do you have just 48 on right side? Why don't you have any other number? What does this 48 mean? Okay. So if you look at 48, it has two factors like 24 times 2 is 48, right? So whenever you have this type of questions, then look at left hand side. Left hand side you have 13 raised to power x minus 11 raised to power x. I will write it here, minus 11 raised to power x, right? So if you do not look at this x and just look at 13 and 11, if you add them, what do you get? You get 24. And if you subtract them, you get what? 2. Try to look at, observe these types of relation. Now maybe now you knew. Now you can easily guess that what type of relation you are getting here. Look at this now. We have 30 raised to power x minus 11 raised to power x is equal to, I would say, 24 times 2. Instead of 48, I can write it as 24 times 2, right? And just now I told you that 13 plus 11 is what? 24, and 13 minus 11 is what? 2. So instead of 24, I can write 13 plus 11, and here I can write 13 minus 11, right? Now we know the formula that a plus b. So like when we are adding two numbers, multiply when we subtract them like that, what do we get? We get a square minus b square. This is an algebraic identity, right? So instead of this, we can write it as 13 square minus 11 square. Now, if you look at left hand side and right hand side, you can easily compare that x is equal to what? 2, right? So, just by looking at the equation, if we know how to observe, how to check the pattern, we can come up to a conclusion, right? So, if you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and I hope you understood this. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.